Hello friends, Amanda here with you today with Whimsy stamps, and for today's card it's going to be a super quick one. You ever just need one on the fly? Well, this one takes literally minutes. For our dies, I've used Forever Cameo Frames die, Wild Weeds die set, Mixed Matched Scallops die, and Forest Majesty die. I'm using the Distress Oxide line, Uncharted Mariner, Rustic Wilderness, and Vintage Photo, along with Black Soot. Here you can see I'm using the Uncharted Mariner on the Whimsy's Sticky Matte die, and I'm just using it at the very base. I wanted to have kind of an ombre frame look, so I've touched just the bottoms halfway up, and I'm going to use the Rustic Wilderness on the green vines. Adding a little bit of inking gives it a little bit more of that depth that I'm looking for, so that's what I'm doing. Here are those little cute red birds at the very bottom here, and I'm just going to hit the very bottoms of them to give them more of a darker, kind of like a cardinal look. They're so tiny and cute. Alright, we're going to take all of this off, and I've moved the vines and anything that I'm going to do in black off of the oxide area. You don't want to mix them together. So I'm using a little blending brush, and I'm just going to go at the center of the vine and then just to the base of the leaves. And I'm going to do that on both of them. And then I'm going to take the frames and I'm going to do the same thing, just at the base to give it more of that ombre look. This is a very simple card, and sometimes we just need them quick. This is that card. Alright, finishing these up, and it just gives it that extra little punch. There we go. And on to the stamping. I'm going to use the postmark stamp, and I'm going to do some secondary stamping. I'm going to stamp everything in Vintage Photo on a scratch piece of paper. And then after I do that, I'm not going to ink it back up, and then I'm going to stamp it on my background that I'm wanting to use, which I've taped off so that it doesn't go all the way to the edges, as you can see. Giving it some firm pressure, and voila. We're going to take that off. I'm going to add some splatters, and I'm going to add some splatters to the vines as well. I've used some foam dots, and I've used that on the back of my frames, and that is it. It really is that simple. Just getting everything lined up, and I'm going to glue on my vines just in the middle to kind of pull it all together. Those ink splatters really added a lot to those beautiful vines. Now we're going to add the cardinals. I've placed them where I want them to go, and I'm just going to lift them off with my pick tool and then glued where they were and put them back. This pick tool comes in really handy for small little details like those cute little cardinals. I've added a sentiment from the Butterflies stamp set, and I've used Versamark ink with white embossing powder. And there it is, friends. I hope you liked it. I hope you had fun. Do try it for yourself, and please come back. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Everything used for this card is in the description box below. You can find Whimsy on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Whimsy channel so you don't miss on any crafty fun.